Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the time is given to me. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Adenia Zamrud Kabohang. This time, I want a presentation of proposal seminars about the influence of storynomics and tourism products on visiting interest in Kampung Pitu, Langgeran Tourism Village, Gunung Kidul, Special Region of Yogyakarta. Chapter 1, Introduction. In 2024, United Nations World Tourism Organization thinks that tourism in the world will fully recover. This is supported in a survey that 67% of tourism professionals show better or much better prospects. This is proven by Indonesia through data released by the Central Statistic Agency, which show that there is an increase in foreign tourist visits and national tourism tourists to Indonesia. This data was taken from March 2023 to March 2024. The tourism industry is an important economy sector for the development of a region. One example is Gunung Kidul, Yogyakarta. In this digital era, tourism is no longer only about natural attractions, but also utilizes narratives and stories as the main attraction in attracting tourists. To attract tourists, tourism products also play a crucial role in providing a memorable experience for visitors. This research have problem formulation and problem objective. For the problem formulation, I have for problem formulation is first, how is the description of storynomics, tourism products, and tourist interest in Kampung Pitu? The second, how does storynomics influence tourist interest in visiting Kampung Pitu? The third is, how does the influence of tourism products on tourist interest in Kampung Pitu? And the last one is, what is the effect of storynomics and tourism products on tourist interest in visiting Kampung Pitu? And the problem objective from this research is first to find out the description of storynomics, tourism products, and interest in visiting. The number two is to determine the effect of storynomics on tourist interest in visiting Kampung Pitu. Number three is to determine the effect of tourism products on tourist interest in visiting Kampung Pitu. And the last one is to determine the effect of storynomics and tourism products on visiting interest in Kampung Pitu. Chapter 2, Theoretical Foundation. In this study, I took theoretical basis data was in accordance with my research variables. The first variables is storynomics from Meki 2018, 2008, in Kartini to 2021. Storynomics concept is a story concept that requires an organized and directed procedure and attracts readers and listeners. The second variables is tourism products from Suswantoro 2007 in Kiswantoro and Irawati 2020. In essence, tourist products mean the totality of services obtained and felt or enjoyed by tourists since tourists leave their place of residence to the destination tourist destination and until they return home where they originally departed. And the last variable is tourist interest. From Alfiana in Aprilia and Barata 2020, tourism interest is the interest of people who will travel with the aim of knowing unique things in a destination area. Previous research. This research take many examples from previous research, but only three are shown in the presentation and are taken from each variable. First, from Lisani 2024, Surinamic strategy in developing cultural attraction in Selayar Islands. The result is utilizing Surinamics is innovative by creating a strong and interesting story concept that can increase that attractiveness of cultural tourism in the Selayar Islands. The second previous research from Salvianti and Noor 2021. The effect of tourism products on tourist interest in visiting tourists at Gembira Lokazo. The result is attraction variable and amenity variables have an influence on tourist interest, while accessibility variables have no influence on visiting interest. The last one is a previous research from Salvianti and Noor 2021. For A, analysis of visitors' interest in the National Museum Jakarta. The result showed that 4A has a positive and significant influence on tourist interest in visiting the National Museum Jakarta. This is the framework and hypothesis from this research. The hypothesis have three. First is it is suspected that Storynomic has positive and significant effect on tourist interest in visiting tourists in Kampung Pitu, Langran Tourist Village, Gunung Kidul. The second is it is believed that tourism products have a positive and significant effect on tourist interest in visiting Kampung Pitu, Gunung Kidul. And the last one is it is suspected that Surinamics and tourism products have a positive and significant effect on interest in visiting Kampung Pitu, Gunung Kidul. Capture 3. Research methods. The research methodology from this research first is research object. The research object from this the research object is Kampung Pitu, Langran Tourism Village, Gunung Kidul, Regency. And the research methods is use quantitative research methods. For sampling technique, use a non-probability sampling with the purposive sampling. And for population and sample, is use visitors who have never visited Kampung Pitu. And for data collection technique, has a questionnaire and documentation. For the data source, use primary data from Google Form and secondary data from for website, books, or journals. Data analysis techniques. First, analysis recruitment test is to do a validity test and reliability test. For the classical assumption test is a normality test, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, autocorrelation test. And for hypothesis test is a partial test, simulations test, multiple linear regression test. And for determination coefficient test, this analysis is used to find out about the percentage of the influence of the independent variable on the dependent variable. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for the time and thank you for the attention.